Hey, what's going on? This spot here, where I am now, has took me an hour and a half to find. And so I've been in this woodland many times, and I remember this spot when I used to come here with my brother and my sister-in-law. And we used to come to this woods for walks and stuff, and we really enjoyed coming here. But that's besides the point anyway. What I'm coming to tell you about today is a new series that's coming to the channel. Now, I'm not 100% sure on what I'm going to call it yet, but it's going to be called something along the lines of Camera Talk Tuesday or Taking Photos Tuesday. So I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to call it yet, but along the lines of what this series is going to be about is what kind of things you should be using when you are taking photos, reviews of lenses and cameras, when I can afford to buy them, and things like that. And then also going to different locations and taking photos when I'm going out and about, and then putting them out on a Tuesday for you to watch. So that's basically what this video is about. It's a new series coming, there's more content coming for you to watch, so I hope you enjoy that. Now, it's getting cold around here, the sun is starting to set over there, and it is getting a bit chilly, and I haven't got a huge amount on, to be fair. It's quite thin. So yeah, I've just been taking some videos and some photos in the woods here in Bishop's Wood in Shropshire. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you look forward to the new videos, all the new content coming, new stuff on Instagram and Facebook and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I hope you enjoy what's to come, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for all the stuff that's coming. You guys have a good day. See you later.